Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we are going to discuss about how PCOS will affect or cause this HTN and how it will maintain the HTN. By HTN, I mean hypertension. So let's dive into the topic to know more. I'll explain it to you on very simple basis and very simple terms so that you don't have to get confused. And you can share this video with people who are suffering with PCOS and hypertension. See, PCOS comes with tags, which is basically it has polycystic ovaries, it has irregular periods and excess androgen. That is important. It also comes with obesity and it also comes with insulin problems, which is hyperinsulinemia and insulin resistance, right? What happens actually in PCOS? Whenever the heart is pumping blood to the arteries have two things. Arteries are nothing but tubes, right? Arteries can dilate and they can constrict or constrict, as we can say, depending upon the situation. For example, whenever you're seeing a tiger, you have to run, hence you have constriction of the arteries to increase blood pressure, right? So, if the artery is constricted, what is happening? Blood pressure is increasing, right? So, if the tube is small and the amount of water should go out is more, what will happen? The pressure will be more, right? So, if it is relaxed, the pressure will decrease, right? So, in PCOS, what is happening? There is insulin resistance and hyperinsulinemia and excess androgen, right? These three together will cause this artery to be constricted always. It's like always constricted, always on angry mode. So, it's always very diameter of the tube is constricted, it's restrained, okay? So, the blood pressure is always high. Apart from that, there is another thing. This insulin resistance and hyperinsulinemia, they have this attachment with sodium. So what they do, they tell the kidney to reabsorb the sodium. Whenever the kidney is filtering, excess sodium is washed off. But what they do is, they will have an attachment issue with the sodium. So they tell the kidney to attach or reabsorb the sodium from the excretion. So sodium is reabsorbed by the kidneys. What happens when sodium is reabsorbed? Sodium has attachment issues with the water. So what is happening? Sodium is coming along with water and H2O inside your body. So what is happening? Water retention is happening. What else is happening? You will be getting puffy face, you will be having edematous hands, legs and everything, and carry bags also. But apart from that, what is important? The blood volume is rising. Why? Because there is reabsorption of sodium, along with sodium comes water, blood volume is raising. So whenever there is blood volume raising and there is constriction of arteries continuously, what will happen? BP will rise continuously. That is how in PCOS you will be getting hypertension or high BP, and that is how it is managing or it is maintaining. Unless and until you clear out the insulin resistance, hyperinsulinemia and excess androgen, you will not be able to control the hypertension just by using. Of course, by taking BP allopathic medications, you will be able to control it. But if you stop it, what will happen? Again, this will reoccur. So, in order, if the hypertension is of PCOS nature, you have to control it by controlling these three, which is hyperinsulinemia, insulin resistance and excess androgen. Here, Fidicus Homeopathy is the best option in homeopathic field. So here we have two kinds of consultation options. So one is the online consultation. The second one is the offline or the in-person consultation option. In person, if you're staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and contact us. And then if you're staying far away from us, you can contact us online, either through audio consultation option or through the video consultation option. And after the doctor consultation, after your investigations are verified, especially to the online clients, medicines will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. Staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. Apart from that, across the globe, anywhere, 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you want to get in touch with us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us or message us on this number. And if you'd like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. We have understood how homeopathy is the best choice for lifestyle disorders, right? And why should you be choosing Fidicus Homeopathy? Because Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we follow 3 principles. First, we are experiencing high success rate in cases where there are endometriosis, where there is adenomyosis, where there is PCOD, PCOS, where there is bulky uterus, fibroids, Nebotian cyst, Bartholian cyst. We have other kind of female cervical erosion. All of these cases have high success rate. Second thing, the transparent treatment. There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. The treatment option as well as your prognosis will be clearly explained to you. Third thing is the personal care, which is top notch at Fidicus. any sort of queries, any sort of doubts that you're having, you can express it to us and we will be answering and bursting all of your myths and queries. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose health, choose Fidicus Women.